you're ready to learn about the proper operation of your Braun Millennium Lift. In this video, you'll receive an overview of the Millennium Lift, its safety features, and basic precautions that will help to safeguard both you and your passengers. And of course, we'll show you how to properly load and unload passengers, operate the lift using the manual backup systems, and perform basic preventive maintenance. Your Braun Millennium Lift is ADA compliant and fully satisfies the requirements of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. And the Millennium makes it easy for a trained attendant to load and unload passengers and mobility equipment by providing fully automatic operation of the lift and easy-to-use manual features that can be used even in the unlikely event of a vehicle electrical system failure. Before attempting to operate your lift, it's important to know that Braun has several built-in safety features working for you. The Millennium Lift is designed to help prevent conditions that could result in accidents or injury to passengers or operators. Lift-tight latches, for example, prevent the platform from drifting at the stowed position due to bleed-off of pressure common to hydraulic systems. The automatic inner barrier automatically deploys to its horizontal position to serve as a bridge between the platform and the vehicle floor, and once fully deployed, rests on a threshold warning plate which senses weight and will activate both a visible and audible alert if the inner barrier is occupied when an operator attempts to activate the lift. The threshold warning will also sound if a passenger enters the threshold area while the platform is in motion. Movement of the platform will be prevented by the interlock system if the inner barrier is occupied or doesn't transition to its fully upright position. Similarly, when the platform is at ground level, the outer barrier forms a bridge between the ground and the platform, and upward movement of the lift will be prevented by the interlock system until the outer barrier is fully upright. Although the Braun Public Use Millennium Lift offers these safety features, it's important that operators read all warning and caution labels and adhere to their instructions each and every time the lift is used. It's also important to follow proper procedures to help enhance overall safety. For example, be sure the vehicle parking brake is engaged before attempting to load or unload a passenger. Be sure the vehicle doors are fully opened and secured before activating the lift. Avoid use of the lift in areas where there is vehicular traffic. Be certain to load and unload passengers on level surfaces only. Provide adequate clearance outside the vehicle to allow full deployment of the lift. Keep bystanders and yourself clear of the area in which the lift is being operated. Be sure passengers are fully secured and wheelchair brakes engaged before moving the lift. Ensure that passengers are contained within the yellow guides of the lift occupant area and are clear of moving parts. And make sure the lift has no signs of damage or abnormal operation. All of the key functions of your Millennium Lift are easily and conveniently controlled using the on-off control switch mounted on the outboard face of the pump module, and the up-down and fold-unfold rocker switches on the Millennium handheld pendant control. To operate the lift, check to be sure the on-off switch is in the on position. Then simply use the handheld pendant to choose the appropriate functions. To unload a passenger from the vehicle, begin by securing the vehicle door to avoid interference during lift operation. Confirm that the power on-off switch shows a green power indicator to signal that you're ready to activate the lift. Assuming that you have a green light, move away from the door to clear the area for the platform to fully unfold. Then press and hold the Unfold button on your pendant control, and the lift will move out of its storage position. Notice that as the Unfold button is pressed and the platform is fully extended, The lift's mechanical inner barrier automatically rotates to the horizontal position to form a smooth transition between the vehicle floor and platform. Once the platform is fully extended and motion stops, release the unfold switch. In the event the platform does not unfold from the stowed position, simply press the fold switch to fully fold the platform, which will in turn release the lift tight latches. Then press the unfold switch and the lift should unfold with no further hesitation. Once the platform is fully deployed, be sure the inner barrier rests solidly on the vehicle floor. And check to be sure that the outer barrier is fully raised and locked. Also be sure that your passenger's safety restraints are securely fastened. Then guide your passenger onto the platform, being sure to keep the wheelchair between the yellow boundaries. Once fully boarded, engage the wheelchair brakes. Turn power off to powered wheelchairs. And ask the passenger to hold the handrails if possible. Note that the Millennium Lift can accommodate passengers who prefer to face inward. However, Braun recommends the outward position because of the enhanced sense of security it provides for passengers. The positioned at the center of the platform, within the yellow boundaries, to help ensure that they have cleared the vehicle bridge and are in the proper position for side-to-side load balance and smooth movement of the platform. Once the passenger is in position, press and hold the down button on your handheld control until the entire platform reaches ground level and the outer barrier unfolds completely. When all movement has stopped, unlock wheelchair brakes, switch on wheelchair power if necessary, and unload the passenger from the platform. To load a passenger, start with the platform at ground level and the outer barrier fully extended. Move the passenger onto the lift platform and into position within the yellow boundaries. Again, lock the wheelchair brakes, turn off wheelchair power on powered chairs, and have the passenger hold the lift's handrails if possible for additional support. While being sure to stand clear of the lift, press and hold the up switch on the pendant control. This will allow the outer barrier to move to the upright and locked position, and the platform to rise to vehicle floor level. The lift will stop at floor level automatically, and the inner barrier will move to the horizontal or bridging position. Once the lift has stopped completely, re-engage power to power chairs, disengage wheelchair brakes, and move the passenger into the vehicle compartment. To return the platform to its storage position, be sure both the lift and storage areas are clear. Then simply press and hold the fold button on your handheld pendant until the platform is fully stowed and all motion stops. Check to make sure your vehicle doors are fully closed and secured. If returning the platform to its storage position from ground level, check to be sure the platform area and vehicle storage area are clear. Then, simply press and hold the up button until the platform reaches vehicle floor height and all movement stops. Then press and hold the fold button, again until all motion stops. Then again, close and secure your vehicle doors.